Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to collect Rudbeckia seeds. Now you can see here that I've grown these and they look absolutely stunning. These were grown from seed that I collected last year, and it's a efficient way of producing mass flowers like this, and also it's cost free. It's not going to cost you any money and you don't have to keep buying seeds from the shop. Let me show you how to collect the seeds. It's very easy, and towards the end of the video I'll also show you how to store them correctly. So before you start taking seed, make sure you've got yourself a container, and you're going to need a pair of secateurs as well. So the first thing you do is, the way you identify what is ready and what isn't is you're looking for flowers which have been spent and dried up. So you can see here as an example, this the flower has dried. So this is a quick example of what you're looking for when you are trying to identify what is ready to be collected or not. So anything that's completely dried out like this, and the cone has been revealed, that's what you want to collect. These flowers which are still in bloom, they're not quite ready yet, so you can't use them to collect seed. So the easiest thing to do, or the first thing to do, is once you've identified your dried out flowers, just get your secateurs and just separate it from the main plant and put it into the container that you have. That's all you do for now. Here's another one. And just go ahead and collect all the flowers which have dried out. Let's go to the next stage and I'll show you what to do. So here we are again. What you need to do now is you take all your seeds, you take one at least, and get yourself a plate, preferably a white one, and you just tap it onto the plate and you'll see the seeds just release. You can use your fingers if you want, just tease them out, and look at that, and immediately you have about 200-300 seeds there, and each one of them is a potential flower or a potential plant which will give you hundreds of flowers. So you can see there that you now have Rudbeckia seeds. Now go ahead and repeat the same process for the others. It's quite simple. Just tap the seeds, tap the seeds out, and as they become loose they'll just come out quite easily. As I say, you can use your fingers like so, and it doesn't matter if you drop a few. As you can see, you've got hundreds here. Now to store these, all you need is just a container lined with some paper towel or tissue paper. What I like to do with Rudbeckia seeds is also to get a sieve and just to sieve them. Now this part you don't have to do, you can put them straight into the container and they will store nicely, but this is just to tidy them up a little bit. So all you do is just get a pinch full, get your sieve, and if you just sieve it, you'll see that there's bits that you don't need. Don't know if you can see, they're tiny. As I say, this is just if you want to do it, you don't have to do it, but it just reveals the seeds. And if you can see, I don't know if you can see that, but there you go, those are the seeds. Then just literally transfer them into your container. Go ahead and repeat the same process if you wish, and don't forget to label these as well now, because you will forget what these are. And what I would suggest, like I have done in my previous videos, is don't put a lid on this. Let them dry out naturally on this paper towel for at least a week. Once they have dried out nicely, you can put them in a paper envelope or a paper bag, or just leave them in this tissue, put a elastic band around it, label it, and just store it away until next year. And there you go. So we've collected these seeds from the plant quite easily. Enjoy. If you'd like me to make a video and show you how to sow these seeds that you've collected correctly, let me know, leave a comment or send me a message, and I will make a quick tutorial on how to sow Rudbeckia seeds.